Alright, got something else I'm going to be putting on my car here. Something I've been trying to find the right thing for a long time. It is new exhaust tips. So there they are in all their blue glory. Keep the theme going, of course. These are the ones that came stock. They're just silver, nothing too special. Although they look pretty good when they're cleaned up, but they get really dirty really quick. So I'm hoping that these look even better when they get dirty. And I assume I bought the right size and everything, but we're gonna find out here just how well they look and fit. Now I believe how one does this is there's nothing really holding it on, it's just kind of sitting there with metal clips. So what you kind of do is you take a rubber mallet and just kind of bang it off with a stopper block too to help protect what you're taking off there. So I'm gonna give this a go and see how that works. There you go. Well, that was easier than I thought. You can see inside there's some just little metal clips that when you put it on, it kind of tightens up on it. So there you go. One down. Now the moment of truth. Will these fit? And what do they look like when they're on? Heck. They don't fit. Well, my guesstimation was a little off. I think I did one size too small. Just unfortunate, but no big deal because this specific one, if you can tell, came with a little chip in it anyway, so everything's returnable. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and get the size that actually fits. Hopefully I can actually measure it this time, because I never took this off before, so I kind of guesstimated how thick that pipe was, but yeah, I guess I was just short. Alright, so it looks like the pipe is pretty much right at 70 millimeters, which is what these things are apparently judged in. And I think I estimated it to be 68 before, so that's why it doesn't fit. Alright, so here we are many moons in the future with the hopefully correct exhaust tips this time. I do know it's a lot bigger hole, so hopefully that just slides on like a dream. One thing I already know that's changing, per their logo, changing the future, is that I had this set up from the last one. Whoa. And it's a lot bigger socket, so, you know, with a bigger hole comes greater responsibility, I guess. So we need to get a bigger socket so we can pop this thing on and make it look good. Alright, old tip off like before. Moment of truth, does the new one slide on as expected? Let's see. Yes. Yes, it does. Beautiful. It wiggles a little bit, but hopefully we can clamp that down and it is the right size. But at least it fits at first go. Alright, so here's the clearance and tolerance we're working with. It's probably about a millimeter or two. Probably looks a little bigger on the video, but hopefully we can use that eye bolt to get that to clamp down and hold tight. Alright, well, he put some cardboard in there to shimmy it on up before I put it on for reals, and I'm already kind of seeing a problem because it doesn't go back very far, or at least as far as I kind of would like. So it does protrude and stick out quite far, and even at this angle you can see there's a little lip there that normally should be hidden with that right angle, so it already looks off. I wish it would go back another inch or two. It just looks kind of funky like that, and you can see why. There's a thing in there from the old one that stops it, and it kind of inserts up into there, but these holes are not big enough to go in, even though it looks like it would kind of directly fit where it should. But that's as far back as it goes, so it's gotta protrude around there, unfortunately, which, I don't know, kind of makes it look goofy. So I gotta think about this. Do I put the other one on, or do I even put them on for real? Because honestly, I think it looks a little stupid protruding that far out. And I don't know, like I said, it just looks goofy. Sticking that far out, and you can clearly see where it like should connect and go up another inch or two. It would look so much better. So maybe there's a way to like cut out that metal so it can go up farther. I might need to look into that if this is something I'm going to work with, because it just sticks out way too far. I'm not supposed to see this. The little lip. Decisions. Ugh. So I'm afraid I don't think these are gonna work, because they just stick out just an inch too far. Like, I should not be seeing that bolt, and I should not be seeing that little lip at 90-degree angle. It just looks stupid hanging out like that. So unfortunately, I do think I'm gonna have to return these and maybe try another kind. Even if I was looking to see, even if I cut it off, like, so that thing doesn't line up all the way, and I'd pretty much have to take off like this whole like quarter panel, and I just don't think that will work as well. And who knows, like, if that's even compromising the structural integrity. So yeah, these are gonna have to go back, unfortunately. I'm glad I tried it, but it's just not gonna work. So experimentation fail. Actually, there's been a number of those. I mean, I've tried a lot of things on my car, but you know, most of them work. But every now and then you run into one that doesn't. And in fact, I got these the other day too, since I'm here. They're covers for the speakers, and two thoughts. One, I didn't know the M logo was going to come, and it looks a little weird and like cheapo, so I don't like that. And I also don't like that it's the M, because I don't have the M version. Nothing else on my car says M, and if I stick it up there, it will just look ridiculous. It also doesn't really match the blue that's right next to it. It's just way off. And if you notice too, the speaker itself looks white from this angle, and that's because the blue's only on top. It's silver on the back and on the sides too, so when you look into it, it just looks white when I just wanted a blue speaker cover. So this is a fail. I'm gonna have to send these back too. They are returnable as well. So, you know, these things happen, and you know, you're just glad you can return the ones that you can. So yeah, these guys they're just not gonna work, and they're gonna have to go back again. Boo hoo hoo. Because I really like these, and I really wish they did work, but no way in its current state, I don't think. But you guys let me know below. Does that look ridiculous? Am I making the right call? Should I keep them? You tell me, because I guess I can always buy them again if that actually looks nice, but I don't think it does. So yeah, let me know, and let me see if I can figure out another strategy here.